So this time I've got a 2009 to 2013 Nissan Frontier headlight build. Trying to work my way around the entire Nissan family. That's kind of a goal of mine. So this one's really exciting, A, because I haven't seen any Frontier builds, and B, because I got to do it. Really unique shaped housing. I was kind of excited about this. I actually had the dude throw a deposit in and have him order the housings. I got him in before he even suggested what to do with them because I really wanted to see these things in person. Chose to use this GTIR shroud, which has a little hat on it, which I think is just super adorable, and for some reason just looks fantastic in this housing. It just complements. It's got this weird curve thing here, and so just having that flat line up there, it works. This is the Morimoto MLED projector assembly. It's a full LED assembly. Really excellent light output. I'll do a picture overlay of that right now because honestly I'm feeling a little lazy tonight and I don't feel like hooking it up for this video, and I already did. Everything's tested and works. Other than that being an MLED, so it's instant on, pure white. We also have the Switchback LED Halo that's around it, and then the also brand new Sequential Switchback LED strip up at the top, which I am so excited to use. Just came out very recently, and this was the first build that I got to use it on. Also threw down some profile peak switchback bulbs in the turn signal location, so they are going to be running light white and turn signal amber. So let me fire this bad boy up for you. As you can see, everything is silly bright. This is your running light mode. So if I was doing the install, then I would take these and I would wire this circuit into a switched ignition power source so that anytime the engine is running, that this will all be on. As you can see, the sequential strip's a little bit warmer of a white. The halo and the LED bulb match pretty perfectly as a nice pure white, although I think the camera's kind of picking up a little cool. And now I'm going to show you this ridiculous turn signal that I have fallen in love with so much now. So, this, man, just, what? Oh, man. So what's super dope about that GTIR shroud is that it was covering up part of the halo, which I thought was a nice design element. But now with that sequential strip right over it, it makes it look like the halo itself is doing a sequential motion just from the reflection of that little hat. As you can see, all switchback, really impressive, eye-catching. Nobody is going to miss this, and it gets the point across real well. And this is a proper view of a single turn signal on while the other is in driving mode, essentially what will happen on the vehicle. And then it comes back on. Now I will note this, the switchback halo comes back on immediately. The switchback LED bulbs, the profile peaks, have a gradiated turn on, so they utilize pulse width modulation. That's why the camera picks it up as a flicker, so they kind of fade on. And then the sequential strips up top take a little bit longer, but either way, they come back on and they still look good. So this was a very exciting build. Lots of good, unique parts, great combination of things thrown together all into one build. I'm super proud of it. If you have any questions about this build, obviously read the description. Information as far as pricing is going to be on there. Information for ordering, email or call me. This is 13 with Superior Mobile ByThirteen. Thanks so much for watching. I had a total blast building this one. I'll talk to you later. See ya!